Literally every vlog so far has started out with me walking back from Panda's apartment into my own because I sleep over at Panda's place every single night, pretty much. I've only slept in my actual room one time. Also, look how burnt I am.
So there's no Big Mac buns, and there's only like one tray of quarter buns, so everybody's freaking out because it was Big Mac day.
Okay, I'm walking to the pool now, and I have to wear a shirt even though I put a bunch of sunscreen on, and literally, I don't know. Like, my skin is so weak, but the sun is so strong, and like that combination, oh my gosh, it smells so bad. It smells like rotten eggs. I'm pretty sure there's a sulfur leak in the water, but whatever. Getting into the pool now. Hold on, let me put you right here. But yeah, I burned so easily. It's not even funny. I know this isn't the wrong filter, but look, cockroach. Look, look. I want to smash it, but I don't.
Well, we actually get along pretty well.
Panda, what are we watching?
I feel like I saw you guys
What are
fighting.
we watching?
13 Reasons Why.
Well, that's true.
We are going to get ice cream now. Usually we go at night, but
I'm waiting for Zane.
I don't know. I guess we're going today now.
Yeah, it's edible, by the way.
Scene I would like to see. It's interesting. It's very interesting.
What is that?
Ooh. See. Ooh.
There's cookie dough and M&M's. Have a good one, guys.
You too. You see that? I wish we went there.
I don't understand the monkey nuts.
I don't.
Psych, we go there.
Oh wait, we do go there. Kitty cat, kitty cat. I see you every single. No, don't run away. I see you every single year. You're always here. Can't believe I haven't seen you till day 5. Hello, don't. I'm scared. Don't bite me. Look at this kid. What's going on? Hi. Come here. Do you bite? I've never even touched you. Oh, okay. Hi. Oh, do that again. For the vlog, Come here. Oh, okay. Am I supposed to? Oh, I'm touching it. Oh my God, they're having a wedding. There they are.
What's up? Oh.
They're having a wedding on the beach. Evan, she saw me yesterday. Look at that bulldog down there. So chill. And like that guy just sits there. There's a dog. There's a dog. There's a dog. Look at that bull. Come here. Hello. The bullfrog. It's a sea hare.
A sea hare? Where are they?
Hi, bull. Look how sunburned I am. It's not okay. We're all heading over to Friendly's now. Second time going to Friendly's. We're also looking for Panda's blue flip-flops, which I didn't even know she owned blue flip-flops. But the thing that makes me like upset is how Michael, Panda, and I always go out super duper far in the ocean, like literally really, really far. And like we have so much fun and catch so many waves, and it's the most fun thing of Las Olas. But because I don't have a waterproof phone or a waterproof device that can record, you don't get to see all of the fun all of the fun we have, which is really sad because like we have so much fun in the ocean.
I got a small portion because
It's probably karma. But I just